Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be teaching you how to make your own origami boot. For this project, you can use any square piece of origami, and it doesn't matter what size. But in this video, we'll be using a 6 by 6 inch piece of origami. Want to build it? Let's get started.
Start off by folding in half. Crease it. Open back up and fold this to the crease. Like this. Repeat on the other side. Then you want to turn it around this way. Take this, fold it to that crease right there. Turn it to this side and do the same thing. Now you want to take this, flip it over, and fold this up to here. Crease it. Flip it back over. Then you want to open this back up. Push this out. Fold this here. Push this down to right here. And push this down to right here. Then you see that crease you made. Push on it and fold it up. And do the same thing with the other side. Push on it and fold it up like that. Like this. And then you want to fold it in half this way. Crease this sharply. Then you want to take this and just pull it out. So it's right here. And crease it. Then you want to fold this and open it up. Take this first flap here. Take these two flaps. Pull it out. Leave it there. Fold this back over. Crease this here. And you're done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn your notifications so you never miss one of these videos. And we'll see you all next time.